My name is Reem Bashawri. I'm an architect and a designer and the brand owner of Zal. So the birth of Zal sparked with a deep passion for storytelling and exploring the diversity of the kingdom. There's a constant dialogue between culture and design when it comes to the work we do. We're always inspired by different rich traditions, vast landscapes, artistic sculptures from the West, like the Jeddah collection. This collection is inspired by a series of 3 sculptures created by the artist Mostafa Sembet as part of the beautification of the city in the late 70s. So here we're displaying 3 scarves. Each are taking a playful and retro vibe to bring back the era of the 70s and 80s. And also we have our exclusive products, which are the framed pieces. So we took the scarves and we framed them just for the Biennale store. I would hope that the visitors would develop a deep appreciation for all the cultural elements and values and the storytelling experience that's presented in each piece. Also appreciate the abstract approach of bringing something from the past into the present and into the future, inshallah.